My name is Varian Harris, and today I will be presenting my Week 13 coding assignment. This week, we've been introduced to Spring Boot and have been tasked with writing code to build a pet store REST API. We began by creating our entity relationship diagram in draw.io, so that way we had a clear idea of how we needed to create the JPA entity classes. Then, jumping over to Eclipse, we created our Maven project named pet-store and updated our pom.xml with the contents created by the Spring Initializer website. We added our needed dependencies for web, JPA, MySQL, and Lombok upon creation. Next, in the package pet.store.entity, we created the 3 JPA entity classes: customer, employee, and pet store. Afterwards, we added our class level annotations, instance variables, and a few other annotations to specify our identity columns, as well as our recursive relationship variables. We did that for each one. We then created our main class, pet store application, in the package pet.store. And this is in order to start Spring Boot. Then, in source main resources, we created our application.yaml file. This is where we create our application configuration. Now, hopping over to MySQL Workbench, we set up our schema named pet_store. As you can see, there's nothing here. Nothing has been populated yet. Go over to administration, click pet_store, fill in a login name as well as password. Click on our privileges. Everything should be checked except for grant option. Then, after this, we establish a connection to this schema via dbeaver. Click here. If we come back and run this, pet store application, and there you have it. Tables have been dropped. Come back to dbeaver, and we'll open up tables. And there you have it. Let's just refresh this just to make sure that it's working properly. And there's our tables. This concludes my week 13 presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one.